Okay, action!
Yeah, that's one mount. And then the other one's over there. We have to remove the air box to get access to the other one. But essentially what we do is we remove this nut, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then we raise the motor up with the floor jack, and then basically just pull the old ones out and stick the new ones in. And airbox needs to come out.
For those of you that have this same model car and you're wondering what this broken, crimped fuel line is, that was apparently a recall. And when you brought your car in to have it done, they would just cut that one, put the new one on, and leave it there looking very suspicious. Nice.
Here, show that thing's in order to take it out. Great.